Thank you very much. Have a good protest. Godspeed, stay safe, thank you.
Refugees are welcome here. Resist God off our streets.
Like this.
Refugees are welcome.
Thank you for the electricity's gone.
I dare you.
Yeah, come on, everyone.
Touch me, I
Go
dare
on,
you.
go on.
Carry on walking.
Okay.
Once you can, carry on.
حصر يلا بقى والله حصر
Money back. Money back.
I don't give a fuck who you are.
Just go, prick.
Our message to the knuckle draggers across the road is that if that is the master race, then God help us all, to be honest. It's a sign of the times that the far right feel confident to come to somewhere like Tower Hamlets. But I tell you what, history shows when the fascists come to Tower Hamlets, you know what happens to them? They get smashed. In 1936, when Oswald Mosley and the British Union of Fascists tried to march against Jews in Cable Street, you know what happened? Our movement smashed them. When the National Front in the 1970s tried to march in Whitechapel and other areas of Tower Hamlets, you know what the anti-Nazi League did? They smashed them. And when the EBL tried to march and tried to intimidate our Muslim brothers and sisters in 2013 at the Whitechapel Mosque, you know what happened? We smashed them. We're going to do the same today. But it's no coincidence that they feel confident. Look at the words of Nigel Farage. Look at the words of the Tory leader whose name I can't remember. Then look at the words of Keir Starmer. Shame on the Labour Party. Shame on a Labour Party that is using the language of the far right.
Send them back to where they came from. Send them home. Send them home.
My name's John. I've come down to today's protest because the far right are trying to organise on our streets and they're trying to scapegoat and demonise refugees and migrants and they're trying to basically collectively punish them by starting pogroms outside of refugee hotels. And I think that's wrong, so I'm here to oppose them. The protest today, we've outnumbered the far right, but to be honest, I think we're being policed more harshly. There's a section 60A in place, which means no one can wear masks. We were all having the police come into our crowd and tell everybody they can't wear masks. I was not wearing a mask, but you know, I empathise with the people's right to do so. And they were being policed, and the other side were not, even though they were wearing masks. So I think that's not very fair. Look, I think it's fair to say that the imperialist project of Britain is what's caused a lot of these people, these refugees and asylum seekers, to need to be here, which is a human right. They're entitled to be here. You know, it is our country that has been part and parcel of starting the wars that has driven them out of their homes. So I think it's on us to try and house them. You know, In terms of what they say about all of these people being rapists, this is just blatantly not true. Individual outliers, all sexual assault and sexual harassment should be taken extremely seriously, regardless of people's race. And actually, if you look at the figures in this country, they are proportionate to the different ethnicities and populations just about. So it's quite ridiculous to claim that they are more of a threat. And in fact, 2 in 5 of the men arrested in August last year for causing far-right riots and pogroms, 2 in 5 of them actually had previously been reported for domestic abuse or intimate partner violence. So I think they're quite a hypocritical lot, to be honest.
Refugees are welcome here. Protect the fascists!